Namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. Hey everyone, today I thought I would be sharing some fun ways to decorating your rooms, and the ideas I have shared will definitely going to look good and will also provide a sense of refreshment in these hot summers. So if you like the video, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button so that you get notified with every new video, and do share this video with your friends and family. So let's begin with the video.
So the first DIY is this hanging planter. For this you can use any terracotta pot or plastic pot, whatever comes handy to you. Now I have painted it white. You can use acrylic colors or wall distemper, anything. And then I have taken the green color, that is acrylic color, on a plate. Now the interesting part is that I am using a leaf. You can use leaf of any size and shape depending on your choice. Now what I am doing here, simply dabbing the leaf on the color and then printing it on the pot. Repeat this process till the pot completely gets printed by this leaf. Here I am using a jute rope and cutting two pieces of rope and now tie them all in a knot close to one end. And place the knot in the center of your planter, and it will be ready. Here I am using the bunch of fake hanging leaves and not the original leaves. Now I am just inserting the stem of the leaves inside the pot and it is ready. You can hang it anywhere and it is going to look very nice. This is super fun and easy for the people who can't maintain original plants. I hope you will like this cute idea. Next DIY are these cute watermelon and pineapple pen holders, and for making this I have used kulhar, the kind of comes with lassi, and what I thought, why to just throw them when I can use them for my DIY ideas. So again I have primed them with white color, and for making the watermelon pen holder I am painting it with red color. Now at the base I have applied green color as the edge of watermelon. And to differentiate the two colors, I have painted white color in between them. Making the seeds, just dip the paintbrush into the black paint, dab off a bit of excess and press the brush against the kulhar. And it is ready. For making the pineapple pen holder, painting it with yellow color. To give the appearance of the leaves, I am painting dark green color on top of the kulhar. Just make V shapes and fill it with green color. You can use mason jars for this DIY. Making these spines, I made inverted V shape by using round shape 0 brush. Just keep them anywhere in your study table or in your kitchen for keeping spoons or spatulas, and it will give a beautiful rainbow. Hope you are feeling inspired to make your own fruit rainbow pencil holders. It was fun making them. If you are one of those who can't keep a plant alive, this DIY rock cactus craft is just for the thing to make. What you need for this: river stones in different shapes, long, oval, flat, acrylic paints of different shades of green, white paint, any pot. I'll be using a plastic pot which comes as a food packaging. First thing you need to do is to wash the rocks to get any dust and dirt off them, and once they are clean and dry, color them green, yellow, whatever you want to color them. Let the paint to dry completely. Now you can draw spines on them using white paint. Here I'm using the Fevicryl tube for making the spines, and now I'm using the white paint and making crisscross spines. You can make spines of different shapes like straight, dashed lines, spots, Y shapes, anything. Now here is the plastic pot which I have painted yellow. And now I'm filling the pot with some small white pebbles. You can use decorative sand also. Now just add the stones inside the pot and your cactus craft is all done. This rock cactus is so in trend and I wanted to make one for my home, and I'm so happy that it turned out so cute and beautiful. Hope you're going to like this also. During the warm and balmy days of summer, it's fun to add decorative elements that reflects the relaxed spirit of the season, like this cute watermelon printed cushion. For this you need a potato or a sponge, knife and scissors, cardboard, acrylic paints like red, green and black, brushes and white cushion cover. Begin by cutting the potato into a semicircle shape like I have done. Here I am using the white cushion cover. You can use any color. It has to be plain without any prints. Now I am inserting this chopping board. You can keep a cardboard also, so that the other side doesn't get affected by the paint. I am taking some red paint on a plate. Now you can see that my watermelon stamp is ready. And now it's time to start stamping. I'm loading the potato with some red paint and now start stamping the shapes on the cushion cover. You can see how beautiful the red color is looking on the white. Repeat the process till it covers the whole cushion. Now once the stamps are dry, then take a round shaped brush and green paint to add the edges of watermelon. Allow your watermelon shapes to dry for a few minutes and then it's time to add the seeds. Then just use a thin detail brush to add small little seed shapes of black paint scattered across the watermelon. Just dip the paintbrush into the black paint, dab off a bit of excess and then press the brush against the fabric. And there you have it, the cutest cushion cover. Hope you have liked these cute summer DIY ideas. And if you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.